Welcome to Catherine the Paint. How are y'all doing today? I am still obsessed with the bloom technique. So this is what we're doing, another tile. And I am using some of the same colors that I used on earlier because I used too much of the Azurite. So I'm using these primary elements, the Azurite and the desert clay right here. But I'm gonna use less of these and more of the cyan, which is the Amsterdam right here. And I have Amsterdam white with a little bit of floetrol in it for the topper. Also, I have been mixing these with the medium that Tammy Anderson had recommended, and that was the polycrylic and the ULTRADEEP BASE high gloss Sherwin Williams untinted paints. So that's in all these, but also to these I wanted to change it up a little bit and do an experiment. So I added a little bit of floetrol to all of them too, because it's self-leveling and I think that might add to it. So let's just see. All right, first you get the pillow paint, which is just a house paint. It's a semi-gloss house paint. It has a little bit of water in it, not much. And you just pour that down onto your tile or your canvas. All right. Okay, just gonna get at it. I'll put the cyan down first. And I'm going to put the desert clay in the middle. Add a little bit of that. I'm gonna do a ring around it, kind of like that. The Azurite. Then I'm going to add some more cyan. Okay. There's my topper. Okay. All right, looks pretty good. Now we're gonna blow it straight down the first time, and then you start blowing out. So that's already really pretty. I like the movement of this with the floetrol in it better. So we'll see how, if it keeps its shape, but I really like the feel of it better. Okay, I am going to give this a couple of minutes for the color to come back up, because you fished it down by blowing it, and it really makes a big difference. So I have to refrain myself and let the color come back up. All right, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I am back and I put gloves on. Look at me. It's a miracle. All right, I'm going to put a little white around the edges to help it go off, slide off better. Okay, that ought to do it. All right. All right. I'm going to slide off that way first. Yeah, I'm learning patience. Maybe I'm not learning it very well, but it is really hard to sit here and let it move at slow pace. All right, bring the weight of the paint back to the center. Okay, now I think I'm gonna go that way. I am much happier with this color now. I tried this one before and this exact combination, but I used too much Azurite and it was just so dark, so dark, so dark. Just help that a little bit. Okay, now bring the paint back to the middle, the weight of it. And stick it back one more time. The floetrol, but I really thought it needed it, and I cannot believe this. This is really beautiful. This is exactly what I was going for. Oh my goodness. All these the light cyan showing through, but still with the desert clay, you can see it clearly, the azurite. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And all the lacing. Lacing all day long. All right. I'm in love. Let me get the camera, bring it down, and should give you a close-up. All right, let's bring you in for a close-up. There's lots of lacing all the way through it. The colors on this are fabulous. And there's even some complex cells, the color and the color right there on that desert clay. Oh my goodness. Loving this one. Hope it draws fabulous. We shall see. Thanks for watching, guys. This is such a journey. I'm glad you're on it with me. I hope you're doing your experimenting and posting it, and let us know how things are going, what we should try next. Please subscribe and be inspired.